It's the last day of 2017, and I've been thinking a lot lately about everything that happened this past year, and it blows my mind every time I think about it. If I were to go back to January 1st of 2017, I would have never imagined everything that happened this year. At the beginning of the year, I decided to start making YouTube videos again. And I had already made a couple years back on my channel. I had not that many subscribers, but I wanted to try doing it again because it was really fun. And if anything, it was really just going to be a hobby for me to do while I was still living at home with my parents. And I never in a million years would have imagined that it would lead me to where I am today, that in January I had just over 1,000 subscribers, and by May I had 100,000. I am so thankful for all of you guys, this whole community that has formed. You guys bring so much love and light and joy into my life. I couldn't be more thankful. I spent this year doing all of the things that I love doing, and I never would have thought I would be able to do this just after graduating college. Not only have I been doing YouTube, but I've also created my online shop and been successful with that, and I've been sharing my art, and I've been traveling and exploring and seeing new things and trying new things, and that's all I could have ever hoped for. So to end this year, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my New Year's Eve celebration. In the past, I've done the typical New Year's celebration. I've gone out with my friends or gone to bars or things like that. And while that is so great, it's so much fun to be in a room full of so many people that are all so happy and excited for the fresh start. I love that. But this year I wanted something different. So I decided to spend the last day of 2017 doing everything that I love, everything that brings me happiness and peacefulness and clarity, so that I can really start off 2018 ready to take on the new year. So Jaren and I spent the day hiking in the beautiful snowy mountains around us, and it was honestly the best way to spend this last day of 2017. It was a brisk 20 degrees, and it was lightly snowing, and it was just a beautiful winter wonderland outside, and I knew that was where I was supposed to be at that time. When we got to the top, there were these rocks that you could climb up, and although it was really cloudy, so we couldn't see the view of the mountains around us, everything at the top was covered in a layer of white snow, and it was so magical and almost didn't look real. So it's evening now, and I am very excited to do some journaling and some introspection this evening as we approach 2018. First, I'm going to make a vegan lasagna just because that sounds delicious right now, something warm and hearty after a long day of hiking. And then I want to do some journaling and set some intentions for the new year, maybe write out my goals and think about all the things that I want to accomplish this year, meditate a little bit, just get in the right headspace for 2018, because like I said, I just feel so many big things coming and so many good changes happening this year, and I'm just so excited for everything. So I want to set some intentions for the year. Maybe I will take a salt bath and maybe do a tarot card reading, and yeah, just spend a relaxing evening preparing for the next year. I am wishing all of you the happiest of New Year's. I hope this year brings you so much joy and happiness, and even if it brings hardships, I hope that you have the strength and the courage to get through them and know that you're going to be stronger and better for it in the end. And I know that amazing things are going to happen this year for all of us, and I'm so excited to see where both you and I are headed this year. All of the new adventures, all of the new experiences, all of the growth that is going to happen for us. I'm sending so much love your way, and I hope you know how much I appreciate you and how much I love you, and I can't wait to see what 2018 is going to bring for us. Happy New Year's.